This course is aimed at anyone who uses abrasive wheels or employs people who use abrasive wheels as part of their work. There are several main definitions or classifications for abrasive wheels, but whichever definition you use, what most abrasive wheels have in common is that they use some sort of abrasive and some sort of bond that attaches that abrasive to a wheel. Different abrasive wheels can be used with many different types of powered machinery, from handheld to bench-mounted or fixed. Depending on the purpose, there are many different types of abrasive and types of bond. Different wheels will all have different properties and characteristics suitable for particular tasks. They also have different weaknesses and can pose different risks and hazards in handling and use. For this reason, it's important that you always select the right abrasive wheel for the job and use it with the right machinery. The safety issues surrounding the handling and use of abrasive wheels are all covered by the Health and Safety Executive, the HSE, and fall under multiple different pieces of legislation. So, proper training is essential to ensure the health and safety of everyone in the workplace. To find out more about this course, sign up for a free trial or give us a call today.